The Americano is a classic cocktail that blends the bold flavors of Campari and sweet vermouth with a splash of soda water, creating a refreshing and slightly bitter drink. It's one of the oldest cocktails and a favorite among those who appreciate an aperitif with a bitter edge. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce Campari, a bitter Italian aperitif; 1 ounce sweet vermouth, a type of fortified wines; soda water to taste. For topping off the drink, 1 slice orange. For garnish. For equipment, you will need highball glass, jigger, stirring spoon, ice, citrus knife. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Pour the Campari and sweet vermouth into the glass. Stir gently to combine. Top off with soda water to your taste. Stir again lightly to mix the soda with the rest of the ingredients. Garnish with a slice of orange. The Americano cocktail was first served in the 1860s by Gaspare Campari's bar in Milan, Italy. It was originally called Milano Torino because of the origins of its 2 main ingredients, Campari from Milan and sweet vermouth from Turin. It gained its current name due to its popularity with American tourists in the early 20th century.